So as we've gone through the course, we have touched on a lot of the key principles which really guide the whole philosophy of Agile and really the way that Scrum is, in particular, is structured as a methodology. So I think just before we finish up, I think it's good to take a look at the Agile Principles. And it's good to take a look at them at this point because now you have a very practical sense of what Scrum entails, how an Agile methodology fits together, and some of the things that conceptually drive that. So now is a good time to sort of consolidate that knowledge in order to further evolve your learning. Essentially, within Agile broadly, we follow these key principles. So really our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable products. So this is meeting our clients' needs essentially. We welcome changing requirements even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. So we're welcoming change in our approach. Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. So this is ensuring that we deliver feedback essentially. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. So this is really a good team working kind of principle. Build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and the support that they need and trust them to get the job done. Give them the environment and the support that they need and trust them to get the job done. So you're really focusing on active members, activity and engagement of people within the team. So the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. Working product is the primary measure of progress, so this is monitoring the product cycle. Agile processes promote sustainable development. Well, that kind of speaks for itself, I guess. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. So this is really your sort of sustainable development as well. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. Essentially, your continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. So you're essentially saying keep it simple. The best architecture requirements and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. Well, that essentially dictates itself. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behaviour accordingly. So this is really adjusting your strategy and your approach. Now we're going to do an activity, and this is to help consolidate this knowledge in your mind, and this is best taken as a group task. We have the Agile Principles written up on this mirror board, and essentially you're going to take one of these post-it notes and boil each one of these Agile Principles down to 3 or 4 summarized words. So just as we have done in the previous example. So this should take you no more than about 15 minutes. So once you've had a chance to access the resources and find the mirror board, I will start the timer. So I will start the timer for the exercise now. And that was the end of 15 minutes. So before we move on, I'm going to let you grab a coffee and take a break, and I'll see you in the next lesson.